Explain the role of bacteria in bioremediation and its importance in environmental cleanup. Bacteria act as natural bioremediators using pollutants as a food source, breaking them down into less harmful substances. Carbon dioxide, water and biomass through their metabolic process. This is crucial for environmental cleanup. The site of detoxifications, water and soil, enabling cost-effective, minimally disruptive methods to permanently to remove, neutralize hazardous chemicals such as oil, pesticides, heavy metals. Role of bacteria in bioremediations, metabolic dehydrations. Bacteria possess enzymes, metabolic pathways that enable to breaking down complex pollutants into simple non-toxic compounds. Nutrient cycling, through their natural role as decomposers, bacteria facilitate the breakdown of organic matter is essential for the ecological process of the environments. Importance of environmental cleanups. Detoxification, bacteria can convert hazardous substances and harmless substances like CO2, water, and effectively detoxifying polluted environments. Environmental cleanup. It offers a complete permanent to the contaminants, eliminating the long term of risk of liability polluted sites. Describe the economic importance of bacteria, focusing on their positive contribution in agriculture, food production, biotechnology. Mention to bacterial products with significant economic significance. Bacteria host significant economic value through their essential roles in agriculture, food production, and biotechnology. In agriculture, nitrogen fixings. Bacteria improve soil fertility, increasing crop yields and food productions. Bacterial lactic acid. Bacteria are used to ferment products such as yogurt, cheese, vinegar. In biotechnology, bacteria are vital genetic engineering, pharmaceutical production, as well as insulin, other industrial enzymes and compounds to keep bacterial products of the diabetes of antibiotics. Example: penicillin for combating bacterial infections. Crucial for human health. The substantial economic impact. Agriculture, nitrogen fixing. Bacteria such as ribosome can convert atmospheric nitrogen use plant usable forms. Soil fertility, growth plants, which directly boost crop productions and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Food production, fermentations. Bacteria, notably lactic acid bacteria, are used to ferment foods including cheese, yogurt, cheese, pickles, and sauerkraut. Enhance the flavor and textures and nutritional value. Vinegar production, acetic acid are implemented vinegar. Other food products. In biotechnology, pharmaceutical productions. Bacteria engineered genetically. Genetically engineered produce for drugs, hormones, and vaccines to keep bacterial. Insulin. Produced via genetic engineering. In bacteria. Insulin is a life-saving medicine of millions of people. Diabetes representing advancement technology and global market. Antibiotics. Many antibiotics those originally discovered of bacteria like penicillins. is crucial for bacterial infections, diseases, diseases outbreaks, and have a massive economic impact and global health industry. Explain the process of cheese production, including the steps involved, the role of microorganism and the factors of influencing the final characteristics of cheese. Cheese production cheese production involving transforming of milk into curds by milk into curds by coagulations, separating them from the liquid way. Aging a liquid way and aging them in a controlled environment. Microorganisms like lactic acid, bacteria, yeast, molds, and play critical roles by milk sugars, producing acids, breaking down proteins and fats during ripening, contribute to the final flavor, cheese textures, flavor and color. Key factor influencing the cheese characteristic include the milk is used. The milk is used. The type of milk is used. The microbial specific moisture, the microbial specific used, and the moisture content. The milk methods to cuts by way separations, the amount of the salts, the durations and temperature of ripening process. Importance use cheese productions, milk preparations. Fresh milk is collected and specially sterilized to ensure quality and safety. Acidification in coagulation starter culture, lactic acid bacteria are like Streptococcus and lactobacillus are milk added to the lactose milk sugar into lactic acid. This initiates the acidification initiates the process of the lower pH drained. The liquid way is drained from the curds. Salt is added to the enhanced flavor, added to the curds and enhanced flavor, act as preservative and control microbial activity. Role of microorganism flavor developments. A starter culture of the characteristics and flavor of the flavor and aromas. Color and texture. Bacteria are the lactic acid bacteria. The product of the uses of the Swiss cheese and the color and texture of the final product. Final characteristics of cheese include milk source. The quality of cheese depends on the milk, generally cow, goat, sheep, and buffalo, prepared for cheese productions. Salt content. Salt is added to the enhanced flavor, added to the cuts into enhanced flavor and act as preservative and control microbial activity. The aging conditions. The aging conditions. Temperature, humidity, and the development of the textures and colors.